Hello, my name's Nicole Byram. I'm a dietitian with the Canadian Celiac Association. Today I'm going to tell you about vitamin B12 and why it's important for those with celiac disease to be mindful of getting enough of this essential nutrient. Vitamin B12 is a water-soluble vitamin that plays many vital roles within our body. It is needed for the creation of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout our bodies. Vitamin B12 is also essential for maintaining the cells that make up our nervous system, including those within our brain for proper cognitive functioning. Another important role of vitamin B12 is in synthesizing your DNA. This carries your unique genetic materials. There are certain groups of people who are at higher risk for vitamin B12 deficiency. As we know, those with undiagnosed or newly diagnosed celiac disease could have damage to their intestinal mucosa. When the lining of the intestine is not functioning properly, it affects the ability for the body to absorb nutrients from your food. Once we follow a strict gluten-free diet, the intestine will begin to heal, and consequently, the ability to absorb vitamin B12 will increase. Another group at higher risk for vitamin B12 deficiency are vegans and vegetarians. As I will discuss later in this video, vitamin B12 is only found naturally occurring in animal food sources, such as meat and dairy. If an individual is not regularly consuming animal products, they are likely not consuming enough B12. Furthermore, if somebody with celiac disease is following a vegan diet, they may be at heightened risk for a deficiency. Who else is at risk for vitamin B12 deficiency? Well, some medications can lower the bioavailability of vitamin B12. Older adults are also at higher risk of inadequate B12 due to a lower production of a protein called intrinsic factor, which is needed to help your body absorb vitamin B12 into the bloodstream. What happens when the body does not have sufficient vitamin B12? This could lead to symptoms such as tingling in your hands or feet, weakness, dizziness, fatigue, or shortness of breath. The daily recommended intake for vitamin B12 is measured in micrograms and are the same for both males and females. The numbers are slightly increased for individuals who are pregnant or breastfeeding to support the development of the infant. Fortunately, many vitamin B12-rich foods are naturally gluten-free. As I mentioned earlier, the best food sources of B12 are from animal products. For example, organ meats such as liver, as well as clams, tuna fish, salmon, and beef are all high sources of vitamin B12. Other animal-derived sources include milk, yogurt, cheese, eggs, and turkey. For vegetarians and vegans, there are increasing numbers of plant-based products that are fortified with vitamin B12, meaning that the vitamin has been added into the food during processing. Some fortified products include soy milk and other non-dairy beverages. Just be sure to always read ingredient labels before purchasing these products to ensure that they are gluten-free. If you have a B12 deficiency, you may have been told by your doctor or healthcare provider to take a B12 supplement. B12 can be taken orally, sublingually under the tongue, by intramuscular injection, or by intranasal preparation. Studies show that both intramuscular injection and sublingual administration have similar results. Discuss with your doctor or healthcare provider which option may be right for you. Thanks for joining me today. I hope all of your questions on vitamin B12 have been answered. Have a great day.